That night vision thing was something that was way new for us then.
Yeah.
People didn't even know. People are asking why it's green.
Why
People
it's
thought
green,
something was wrong with their TVs or their computers or something was wrong with the camera. It just looks like this. Okay, there are these two guys, lovers. They got this video camera and they're like, dude, let's make a movie. And mess around with this thing. She's like, okay, cool, whatever. So they put it in night vision, they tried it on ourselves, and they said, make this. That's what it looks like to me. If you ask me, there's more of this tape in other tapes now.
They definitely.
That whole vacation, I'll bet there's a whole vacation tape and only this tape got leaked out.
Yeah.
There are like 2 or 3 sets. If you get those, then you will know where they are.
Here you can make out that this girl is not a porn actress.
How come?
She's not acting.
Arey,
If she's acting, then she's one hell of an actor.
It looked and it felt through the screen that they were actually enjoying themselves.
she's very obvious about the presence of the camera here. And then also she's holding her expression, her emotion, everything. So that is acting. Both of them are acting. And they know they are shooting it.
Everybody is getting so physical, the body center stage ತಗೊಂತಾರದ್ರಿಂದ what happens about the other aspects of the human psyche. So what happens to all the spiritual thoughts, what happens to all the emancipation that for thousands of years the knowledge that we have acquired, which separates us from the animals. If we are regressing by concentrating so much on the body, will we be doing away with all that?
The camera in this particular situation is himself both participating and observing. Right? So when the camera speaks now as though it was you playing a third role, it's part of the topos.
Yeah.
So now what happens is I think he has to sort of resurrect her.
By the time you're 20, every boy should be a critic of porn. If you ask me. And that's the best.
Yeah.
That's the best way to go. No hide, don't hide. Watch it. Get one, watch every day. Book shit. Doesn't make any difference. But then by the time you're 20, you'll be so bored.
Yeah.
You tend to stop. You tend to focus on other things like real girls, for instance. An honest porn movie.
Yeah.